Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to deposit and withdraw on MEXC Exchange. For that, you need to launch your MEXC app and you need to log in into your account. Now, if you don't have an account on MEXC, I would recommend you to use the link that is given in the description, and it will help you to earn up to 8,000 USDT as sign up bonus. Now, once you are on the home page of MEXC, in order to deposit money, you need to simply tap on the wallets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and from the tabs in the top, you need to select Fiat. Over here you will see buy crypto option, so simply tap on buy crypto and then you will be landed on this page. Now over here you need to first of all select that particular currency which you want to use in order to buy USDT. You can even buy any other cryptocurrency, so you can tap on this drop down menu and you can select your favorite cryptocurrency. Now I would recommend you to buy USDT because with the help of USDT you can purchase other cryptocurrencies as well. Then in the spend option you will see this drop down menu, so these are the fiat currencies, so you can use any of these based on your country. Here in the spend section, you just have to enter the amount of USD that you want to spend in order to buy USDT, just like this one. Then select the debit and credit card option and tap on the buy USDT option. On the next page, you will have to complete your transaction, and this way you will be able to deposit crypto in your MEXC account. So this was the first step. Now when it comes to withdrawal, you need to tap on the overview section, and here you will see the withdraw option. So you need to tap on withdraw and select that particular cryptocurrency which you want to withdraw. For example, let's say you want to withdraw USDT, so you need to simply select that, and it will give you two different options in the bottom. The first is the on-chain withdrawal, which you are going to use in order to withdraw your money to any other exchanges. If you select this option, you need to fill out this form that includes the destination address, network and quantity. I have separately created a bunch of different videos on how you can withdraw different currencies from MEXC, so make sure you check those videos out on my channel. Then we have the second option of MEXC transfer. So let's say you want to transfer your USDT from one MEXC account to your other MEXC account or to someone else who is also using MEXC. So you can select this option, and the best part is that this option is absolutely free, meaning that you don't need to pay any fee if you choose this method. So here you need to provide either recipient's email address, phone number or their UID number, and you need to enter the quantity and tap on the submit option in the bottom. So this way you can deposit and withdraw on MEXC Exchange. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.